Hey guys, this is Cody with Tri-State RV, and today we're looking at the all-new XLR 29 QBS Boost. Smooth side. New steps, power awning. This is all new 2018. Thomas Payne couch, heated massage, beautiful interior, beautiful countertops. Nice luxurious unit. 2 doors to the bedroom. Furrion sound system, inside outside speakers. Nice TV. Jack and Jill bathroom entrances. Solid surface countertops. They are laminate. Let's turn the lights on back here. King size bed up top, with those sofas that fold up against the wall. Another entrance door. 12-foot garage. The Boost 29 QBS.